So dear student, I Rakesh Jain from January University. Now I am going to teach you a 8085 microprocessor program, and after learning we will run it on a 8085 simulator. The program is how we can convert a block of data from one memory location to another memory location, how we can exchange the block of data. Previously I have taught you about how we can transfer the data. It means at one memory location you have the data simultaneously at different memory location and you want to transfer them to another memory locations. Now here we want to exchange them. So first of all, see what is the meaning of a block of data at different memory locations. Let's suppose we have different memory location from 8000, 8001, 8002, 8003 and 8004. These are different data. Okay, let's suppose the data is, let's suppose the data at these addresses are 11, 12, you can take any data, 13, 14, 15. Let's suppose the data at these memory location are these, and let's suppose the second memory locations onwards, the data are, let's suppose 01, sorry, 02, 03, 04, 05. These are data. Okay, let's suppose 8000 memory locations consist the data from 11 to 15 simultaneously at memory location, consecutive memory locations, and 9000 to 9004 consecutive memory location. The data bits are 01 to 05. We want to exchange them. It means we want to build a program in which after the execution of the program, when we will check again the result from 8000 to 8004, it will be 01 to 05 instead of 11 to 15, and 9000 to 9004 will hold 11 to 15. So the data will be transferred. So first of all, we just build the program. First of all, we should denote this address, we should point out this address, and we should point out this address. And we know that the address can be pointed out by 16-bit register pair. So let's suppose HL register pair, that is a memory location, can be point out the HL pair, point out the D 8000 addresses, and the 9000 address will be pointed out by D register pair. So our memory location, when we will start LXI H, 8000, it means HL register pair will point out the 8000 memory location, and LXI D, 9000, it means 9000 memory location will point out the address, will be pointed out by D register pair. LXI H, 8000, it means HL register pair point out the memory location start from 8000, and LXI D, 9000 means the D register pair point out the memory location from 9000. Okay, because there are 5 data, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so total 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 numbers. So 5 times we have to perform the exchange operation. That's why I use a register, let's suppose C, as a pointer, as a counter for 5 operations. Okay, now what I want, first of all, I want that the first data 11 at 8000, which is present at the 8000 memory location, will be held by the any register. Let's suppose the accumulator is a register which hold the address of the HL pair. So there is an instruction move A, M. Now the content 11 will be the in accumulator. Now we just move this content in another register. Let's suppose B is the register. Let's suppose B is the register. Okay, so now the register A content, that is 11, will be held by B register. Now I write down LDAXD. It means load the accumulator by the content of D register pair, because the D register pair content is 01, so it will be loaded into accumulator. So now accumulator is equal to 01. Okay, now accumulator is equal to 01. Now if I again write down move M, I, it means the accumulator content now move into HL pair. So HL pair hold the 8000 memory location. So the content of accumulator is right now, just because of the above step LDAXD, the content of accumulator is 0 1. Now it will be moved at 8000. Now I again move the content of B into A. So now the content B will be moved into accumulator, and it was 11, so 11 will be moved into accumulator. Now I write down STAXD. It means the content of the accumulator will be stored at D register pair. So now the D register pair, because it is 9000, so the it will hold the content 0 1. It will hold the content 0 1. Now one time this operation done, so I write down INX H. I also write down INX D, so that they will be shifted at 8001 and 9001. One time operations are done, that's why I write down DCR C. Then I write down jump node 0 to which memory location. Let's suppose the memory location is VVV, and VVV is this memory location. Okay, and at last, when this will be completed, I write down HLT. So HLT is the code of end of this object, end of this program. So this is the whole program. Now I am telling you how to write down the program. How to write down the program. Okay, okay, we can change, we can use any data instead of this 11 12 13 14 15. Let's suppose we wish to add the data of any data, you can use another data also. So let's suppose the data is 23 24 25 26 and 27. Okay, and here you can use another data also. Any data you want to change, you can change it. Okay, let's suppose this is 03 04 05 06 and 07. Okay, so these are different data. Now to use this program, to upload this program in microcontroller, you have to perform this program in microcontroller. That's why you start from any address. So let's suppose you will start the address from 8013. So what is the code of LXID? You should check first of all from the opcode table. So the code of LXI D and LXI H is, LXI D code is 11, LXI H code is 21. So LXI, okay, there one step is missing, that is LXI H. Okay, so 8013 will hold the code of LXI H, that is 21. Then onwards you will write down 00, then 80. Okay, then at next memory location your code should be, I just reduce the size so that the whole data will come. Okay, now the next step is LXID, that will be 11, then 9000. So 00 will come first, then 90 will be there. Okay, then next at next address on MVIC. So what is the MVIC operation? So MVIC is 0E. MVIC is 0E. Okay, then at 0E you should remember the address of this step. You should remember the address 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, and it may be A. It may be A. Okay, so whatever the at this address you should remember move A comma M. So move A comma M is 7E. 7E. Remember this thing, I just bold it, so you or red color sign is there. So whenever we upload this 7E, just remember the address, because we should write down the same address after jump node 0. Okay, then move B comma A. What is the hex code for move B comma A? So the hex code for move B comma A is 47. Then next memory location LDAXD. So LDAXD code is 1A, actually 1A. Okay, then move M comma A. So the hex code for move M comma A is 77. From the hex code table we just see this one, 77. Move M comma A. Then move A comma B. From the hex code table I just find out move A comma B is 78. Then the hex code for STAXD. The hex code for STAXD is 12. The hex code for STAXD is 12. Then INXH and INXD. So the hex code for INXH and INXD is, for the INXH the hex code will be 23. I just search from the opcode table, and INXD is 13. So 23 and 13. So 23 is the hex code for INXH. 13 will be the hex code for INXD. Then DCRC. 0D. Then DCRC is 0D. Then jump node 0. So J and Z. So the hex code for J and Z is C2. C2 is the hex code for jump node 0. Okay, then VVV. So what will be the location? I will write down as it is. 00, then 80, then 11, then 00, then 90, then MVIC is 0E. Then I forgot to write down 05. Okay. Then 7E for this, then 47, LDXD is 1A, move M comma A 77, move A comma B is 78, STXD is 12. Then INXH and INXD. Wait for a while. Yes, I have to write down INXH and INXD, that is 23 and 13. INXH and INXD, they are 13 and 23. So write down from the table 30 and 23. Then we'll find out the hex code for DCRC, and the hex code for DCRC is DCRC. From the hex code table I find out 0D. Okay. Then the hex code for jump node 0, and the hex code for jump node 0 is C2. And then at the two consecutive memory location we should write down. So at the two consecutive we will find out 8013. So 8014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, maybe 19. Okay, we will find out them. So after two memory location we will write down 76. So we first check on the software. Now this is your software. Now this is your 8085 simulator software. Now see, first of all, so reset, then starting memory location. My first memory location is 8000, and from the 8000 I have to write down 23 onwards. So first of all 23, then 24, then 25, then 26, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 27. These 5 data I just upload on, sorry, 27. Okay, so at 8004 27 will be there, then one more time next. So at first memory location 8000 to 8004 I uploaded some data. Now, so now see, at the 9000 memory location the data is 03 then 04. Okay, 0 03 04 05 06 and last the data is 07 07, then one more time next. Okay, so these two data will be uploaded, then again next reset, then next 8013 will be the memory location. So 8013 will be the memory location. Now what is the first step? We have to load 80. So I write down 8080. Then next I have to load 11, then 00. First of all, LXI H code. LXI H code is wait. LXI H code is, we have to check. LXI H code is 21. First we have to upload at 21. Sorry. So again one more time I check from 8013. So 8013. Okay, now I have to load 21, then next 8000, so 00 and then 80. So what is 80? 80. Then next 11, then next 11, then 00 and 90. So it will be 11, then 00 and then 90. Then at next memory location 0E05, 0E and 05. So it is 0 E, then 0 5. Then at next memory location after 0E 05 we have to write down 7E, and we should remember this location 7E. And this memory location is 81B. 81B, remember this 1B, 81B, 801B. Okay, next 47 and 1A, 47, then 1A. So this is 1A. Then at next memory location 77, 78. So 77 and 78. Then at next memory location 12, 13. 12, 13. Then at next memory location 23, 0D. 23, 0D. Then at next memory location C2. Sorry, C2. Then now we have to write down the address. So that will be 81B, I think. 81B. So 1B will be the where it has to jump 1B. So 1B and 80. 80 will be the memory location. Then next, after this, if everything is fine, then definitely it will run. So we first write down reset 013. When we will type the execute, then it will automatically stop. Okay, now we have to check the result. So reset new memory location. Now if we will check onwards from 8000, definitely it will be the data of the 9000 memory location, which was the data of 9000 memory location. So 03, 04, 05, 06, 07. So it was the data of 9000, but right now after the execution of the program, it is the data of 8000 memory locations. Now we check the 9000 memory location data. So previously the 9000 memory location data was 93, 03, 04, 05, 06 and 07, but now it will becomes 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. See, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, because the data are now exchanged completely. Now the data is exchanged completely. Thank you very much.